Hi, welcome to the PHP. Today we are going to learn some PHP basics. That is this one. In the introductory part, we are learning PHP basics in 4 sections, that is section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. In section 1, we are discussing some points like PHP introduction, that is PHP is a server-side scripting language which is used to making the dynamic web pages. How to set up the PHP in your own PC. If you are going to learning it, you need to install it in your own PC. So we are learning in that also in session 1. After in session 1 we are continuing with some PHP syntax, variables, constants, operators and data type also. After that we are learning PHP conditional statements and loops, then PHP functions and arrays and PHP super globals. All these parts we are learning in session 1. In the introduction of PHP, that is PHP, it's a hypertext preprocessor. For previously PHP stands for personal home page, but right now PHP is an acronym of hypertext preprocessor, which is used to making the static and dynamic web pages. PHP is a open source language, that means you can download it and use it directly. It means free to download. So PHP is widely used and free to download. In Facebook, the social networking site Facebook, the PHP is used over there. Facebook is developed in PHP. So PHP is widely used everywhere in today. Before going to learn the PHP, you must know some basic things. That is, you must know the HTML, hypertext markup language, you must know CSS, and you must know the JavaScript. That means in PHP file contain all those 3 codes, so you should know, that is the working knowledge of these 3 languages you should know before going to learn the PHP. And in the basics of PHP, we should know that is what is PHP file. If we are having the PHP file, then it can contain HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript code and PHP code also. That means PHP file can contain all those 3 codes. And as PHP is a server-side scripting language, so PHP scripts are executed at server side, and as it's a PHP file, so it having the extension as .php. So after learning that is what is PHP file, you should know what PHP can do. So PHP can do these many things, that is PHP can generate dynamic page content, PHP can create PHP can create read write files on server, PHP can communicate with your database, that means PHP can add, delete or modify data in your database. Also PHP can collect form data, means PHP can submit form data. If you are having the HTML form, then you can collect the form data by using PHP. Also PHP can send receive cookies. It is the better option for professional programmer, that is to send and receive the cookies. PHP can restrict users to access some pages on your website, on your database also. That means PHP provides security also. It provides hyper security or large security by using encryption and decryption. With PHP you cannot limit it to output and HTML. PHP can giving the output in PDF files also, even flash movies also, and in XHTML and XML also. So this is the most important features of the PHP. Now the question arises, that is why PHP, as we are having some different competitors of PHP, that is ASP is also there. So these are some basic points, that is why we are using the PHP. First feature is that PHP runs on various platforms, that is Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac. So all these platforms on which PHP runs. PHP compatible with almost all servers used today, that is Apache Tomcat and IIS, Internet Information Services also. PHP supports wide range of database, and as I have stated earlier, it's a free to download. The official website of PHP is php.net. Just check this website, that is what it contains. This is the website, that is, if we are learn www.php.net, .net. Press enter. This is the PHP official website.